ViewTech Borescopes are joystick-controlled video cameras that can go inside hard-to-see places in machinery, tubes, and parts. Companies save time and money on maintenance and quality by using ViewTech Borescopes to identify problems through remote visual inspections. Call us today to ask about our Try Before You Buy demo program. Depending on the machine, planned maintenance is often included in every repair and prevention plan. Planned maintenance is closely related to predictive and preventative maintenance because any planned shutdown or outage is done to prevent larger faults down the road. To make the process as easy as possible, all tools, technicians, materials, and necessary documentation are readily available before the start of the planned maintenance procedure. Therefore, this maintenance procedure is the easiest form of maintenance that inspection technicians and repair personnel can perform. The best way to experience a ViewTech Borescope is with our free on-site demo program. Call to speak with one of our knowledgeable video borescope experts and we will help find the best borescope for your inspection needs. You will quickly realize why ViewTech Borescopes is the #1 seller of video borescopes in North America.